Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to change voice notification language on your JBL Tune Flex. Let's get started. So, as a first step, let's talk about these notifications. What are they doing? So, when you are touching the sensors on your headphones, for example, to change the mode that they are currently in, you will hear a voice assistant which is saying that you have switched from noise cancellation to talk through or any other modes. But if you don't understand the language or you would just like to switch it to another one, let me show you how to do it. For that, open the JBL Headphones application and here choose your JBL Tune Flex. Then scroll down until you'll find this tab which is named Voice Prompts. Click on it and here click on the language and here find the language that you would like to switch it to. For example, let's pick Russian. Then click Apply. And after this, we'll start the downloading process, which can take about 3 or more minutes. And after these 3 minutes, everything will be done. And that was it for today. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you so much for watching.